Let's do a Sledgehammer. Or cowbell. I know. Are you ready? Okay. You're tuned by Peter Gabriel from the album So.